What's going on, everybody? Welcome to the NY DIY Mechanical Garage. I know it's been a minute since I posted a video, but I just want to do an update on the Amazon seats for the C5 Corvette. I had to take mine apart after a few years of consistent use, and I'm going to record again in a minute, but the seat frame under here is busted. I'm going to show you what it looks like. But I had these seats for about 2 years. I daily drive my Vette. As you can see right now, I'm trying to get it ready for the track day. It is all torn apart, man. A lot going on here. Got the rack sent out to get rebuilt. Did an oil pan gasket on it. Put baffles in it. Big stuff. But anyway, back to the seat. I got about 2 years with these seats. Consistent use, track use, all that stuff. And the seat frame busted. And if we flip the seat to the side here, you can see all the metal straps under here busted. This one's busted down there. This one's busted here. So this is 2 years of use with the Amazon seats. I'm taking it apart quickly right now because I don't have time to get new ones. So I got to get moving on this, and I got to take it apart and weld what I can weld and put it all back together. But once I get the seat cushion off, I'll record again, and I'll show you where it busted. We're back recording the Amazon seats. Like I said, I bought these about 2.5 years ago. Consistent use in and out of my car. I use a harness with them as well. But here's the seat frame right here. Here's a cushion. You can tell these things aren't the greatest quality. Look at the welds. This is just laying here. Seat cracked right there. Right there. Right where the seat adjustment is, right there. No good. So I'm going to have to figure out a way how to bend these back and weld them up. See right there? Right there. So not good. I can feel a ridge right there, so I'm going to have to weld that right there and weld that right there. So anyway, here's the Amazon seat frame. This is what you're looking at. So when you buy it, this is what you're getting. And that's pretty much it. So thank you very much for following. I'm going to weld it up and do the best I can to patch this thing back together to get it ready for the track. So thank you very much for following. Peace out. All right, everybody. So this is like day 2 or 3. I had to take a small break, but this is what I did. I welded it all up. You can see right here. I kind of shored up using a piece of metal, and I filled it in and I welded it on the top and on the very, very bottom. Hopefully my camera can focus here, but it broke right there, all the way around there, and on the other side. And I shored it up with a piece of steel. I did both sides right here. Welded it up, and that's it. I finished welding up these pieces across where the seat bottom goes under here. And I pretty much just welded up areas that I thought needed welding, like here, all the way around under there. I shored up the screw, the anchor points right there. So this is the Amazon seat in its entirety. This is the skeleton of it. Just be aware that they do break. Okay, I use the shit out of my car, and I'm always in and out of the seat. The seat cushion, look at this wear and tear. Again, they're not perfect seats. They're Amazon specials, but look. So I'm going to put a piece of like foam on either on the outside or the inside here, under here, to line this so it's less wear and tear. But that's what's going on, just so everyone's aware. If you have any play in the seat back, take apart the seat and you're going to see it all right there. So, all right, any other questions, feel free to reach out to me at nydiy22@gmail.com, or feel free to comment on the video. All right, so thank you very much. Be safe.